What's up, everybody? It's a cold November morning here in Michigan. I'm gonna be trying a bunch of different techniques to see if we can get on some fish. Let's get to it. You guys can go ahead and skip ahead in the video if you don't want to hear the specifics, but I'm gonna show you guys my rods and what kind of line I'm using and everything. So this is a Trika 6X 7-foot medium heavy power rod with a 200 size Penn Squall bait casting reel. And then I got 30-pound Power Pro braid and then a 25-pound fluorocarbon leader, and then I got this little 3.8-inch Kitech swim bait on a 1/4-ounce jig head. So this is the bait rod I'm going to be using today. It's a St. Croix Triumph Series 7-foot medium heavy rod. Then I got a 4,000 size Penn Spin Fisher with 20-pound Power Pro braid. And then I believe this is an 8-pound monofilament leader for suckers, since they got sensitive mouths. So this is the float fishing rod I'm going to be using today. It's a St. Croix Encore salmon steelhead rod in 9/6 medium. And then I got a 4,000 size Penn Conflict 2 with 30-pound braid. So starting off at the top, I got my braid connected to a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader. Then I got my float, and then a swivel here, and then this is a 10-pound, sorry, a 10-pound fluorocarbon leader. So if I snap off, I'm only losing this rather than my whole rig. And then below that, I got a couple split shots, and then a small circle hook. So I'm gonna start off with the float today. I'm gonna use a couple these. Let me get them out for you guys. I'm gonna be trying these out today, see if I can catch some suckers. There's potentially coho salmon in here, but it's a bit late in the season and we're really far upriver from where they were being caught, so it's possible but unlikely. So I'm hoping for some suckers, maybe a perch, or really anything that's gonna eat a fake egg. Ooh. Oh. Okay. That was a nice fish. It took my tail off. It felt very heavy, whatever that was. Ooh, fish on, you guys. That's a nice fish. Oh, he's off. No. That thing felt so big, bro. No. Oh, that sucks. Oh, fish on. Feels like a nice fish. He was right off the bank. God, please stay on. This one feels like a nice one. I almost wonder if this is the same fish. Oh, this thing feels so heavy. Oh, nice pike. Nice pike. Nice pike, you guys. I didn't get too good of a look at him, but it's certainly a nice one. Ooh. Yeah, he's taking drag and stuff. Stay down, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Stay down here. Stay down here, buddy. Stay down here, buddy. Ooh, got him. Nice. Alright, that makes me feel a lot better about that fish I lost, because either it was this fish or it was much smaller than I was thinking, because this thing fought super good and it's really not even that big of a pike. So if that was a different fish that bit, at least I know it wasn't like a monster like I was thinking. Beautiful pike right there. That's a nice chunky pike. That's a super healthy one. That's so cool. I'm actually gonna get some pictures of this guy because that was awesome. Yeah, he's too healthy and perfect looking to not get a picture of. Here's that, you guys. Perfect little pike. It's such a nice fat fish. Perfect colors on him. I'm gonna get this guy released. Such a perfect fish. So if you guys are releasing fish and they're not kicking off right away, one thing you can do is you can kind of move their tail left and right like this to kind of get them in the motion of swimming, and then a lot of the times they'll shoot off. Or you can move them back and forth to get some oxygen pumping through their gills. But sometimes fish just take a minute to recuperate. Yeah, I can feel them kicking. All right, buddy. Thanks for biting. That was awesome. Gave a super nice fight for a pike that size. Fuck. let's throw this there. Ooh, fish on. Nice pike, I think. Ooh, he just came off. Fish on. What is this? Oh, a little pike. I'll just flip this guy. Little sausage pike. Pretty one. Let's just let him go. This guy wanted to keep my swim bait, I guess. Oh. Pretty little pike. Set him free. Hi, buddy. Thank you for biting. Fish on. Ooh, that's a nice pike. Oh my god, dude. He ate right here. He's barely hooked. Let me get in here. Come on, dude. Oh, dude, if this thing comes off. Got him. Nice. He's a bit skinny. He's not like all fat and chunky like the other one was, but he's long. He has a big head. Look at that, you guys. Look how he ate that. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, got it. I'm just gonna let this guy go because it took me a minute to unhook that guy. It's a little bit skinny, but, you know, happy to get him. Ooh, that was sick. Little pike, but damn, that was awesome. All right, yep, lure popped out. Easy unhooking. Little sausage pike. Really pretty. Oh, don't do that. Really pretty one. First fish that I've gotten this far up downstream. Let him go. Ooh, that was sick. That was crazy. That was sick, you guys. I can't keep this guy too long. Pretty little, you know, 18-inch pike or so, maybe 16. It's gonna back down. That was sweet. I really hope that got picked up on camera because he smacked it. Pretty pike. Let him go. That was awesome. All right, everybody, that's gonna be it for the video. Unfortunately, I didn't get anything on the float rig or the worms, but I did get a good amount of pike on the swim bait, so that was nice. Make sure to keep an eye on our main channel for some content coming very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.